Then the base depth they propose 0.2. Then the sub base they proposed 0.2 also. So giving a total pavement structure layer of 500 mm thickness. That's what the Federal Highway Manual proposed. But each state has their own pavement structure. But these values are supposed to be gotten from your, after you're done with your CBR, you must carry your CBR testing, your testing of your materials, and you know the thickness that you need to propose and the traffic volume. You must have done your traffic analysis and a traffic study. Know the volume of traffic, the volume of traffic vehicles that will fly the area. Where is an heavy duty vehicle and all those heavy duty vehicles that are applying that. So you know you consider that into the, you put that into factor to getting this your pave one, pave two thickness and your base and your sub base. So if you are done with this, now if you are done inputting these parameters, you just click apply and okay. So you see now my pavement is now I was not taking the parameters inputted. This one is, but this one here, the blue one is my pave one. This, the next one, my pave two. This, my base, and this, my sub base. So the next step now, if your road is having a shoulder, I will go back to corridor, sub-assembly to pallet. The next thing is shoulder. You can see after the lane, we're having shoulder. So you can see my shoulder here now. On this manual, they have zero shoulder, depends on the one. But on this one, I will be going with the manual. We use shoulder extend all. Shoulder extend all. This one. Let's use the shoulder extend all. Let's use this one, shoulder extend all. So I will come down now. I know that on my pavement structure, my shoulder normally flush with my binding course. So I will click on this to have a drop down of my shoulder. On the second cycle, not the first one. So the next step, I will escape. Then I'll go to this, my shoulder now. The same thing, I'll go and repeat, edit the sub-assembly properties too. Then I'll go to parameters. Then at this junction now, I will now impute my shoulder parameters. I will now input my shoulder parameters. Like on the manual, like on page 30, I'm on page 36 now. You can see the manual. If you select this your shoulder now, and you, parameter you can still get this assembly properties by right clicking and go to sub assembly properties. If I select it, sub assembly properties is here. I can still right click and still the same thing here. Sub assembly properties. The next step, I will go to parameters. Then I'll now start imputing my shoulder parameters. My shoulder will just like they also did earlier on, based on Federal Highway Manual, they use 2.75 to 2.75. You can see the parameters on page 37. On page 37. So my shoulder slope is usually 5%. Based on the Federal Highway Manual, we use 5% for our shoulder slope. So it will be minus 5%. Minus 5%. Then my daylight slope, let's make this to be 0. I don't need the daylight slope, let's make it 0. Then my daylight, we just leave it at default. Then I'll come to my sub base slope. I'll explain that later. Daylight slope. It's like daylight slope is like if you're at the edge of your road, at the edge of the road when walking, when your this thing is trying to get the edge of your drain, they take it that daylight slope into like they take it as a factor that when computing for your earthwork materials. Page 37 years of the manual we are using now, the civil 3D manual, the training manual of the training manual. So the daylight slope is um, the daylight slope. If it's just like it's a that slope is where you create for your how would I put this for your machines to work and get the shape that edge of your drain. So sometimes we do. I will later on I'll explain to it better on. Later I will explain that better on. Let's just proceed. So the sub base slope. You can see the sub base slope here too. They use -5. Then our pave one now on our shoulder, our pave one normally used to be 0. Our pave one is 0. We don't have pave one 0. 0. Pave 2 is 0.06. Base 0.2. Then sub base 0.2. If I should click apply and OK, you can see how it's looking like now. This is my shoulder now. The next step is to impute my trench sub-assemblies. You can see the one a trench, just like our sub-assemblies. Trench are our drains. So we're on page 38 now on the manual. So I'll go to corridor, sub-assembly to pallet. You can see my trench. This is my shoulder, median, curbs. They like my trench is not showing on this my tab here. I'll right click down here and go to trench pipes. So on my trench pipe, I will click on, let's use the one that's on our manual, side ditch U shape. This one here, side ditch U shape. Then I'll come down here and select this, the last one down at the bottom. Once I'm done, I'll now escape and close some assembly to palette. So I will now select this, my drain, and go to sub-assembly properties and go to parameters and modify them to the parameters I want it to be. The bottom width of my drain. Let's see the parameters on our manual. The bottom width of our drain. Let's use 0.6. Let's say we're having a 60 cm, a 60 cm, 60 cm drain, this thing, and length width of the drain. 600 mm. So I will click. I'll leave this at 600. I will leave this at 600. My ditch, the depth of my drain at 600. The A1, the thickness at 150 mm thickness. The B1 the B1, this I'll leave my A1 150. The B1, I'll make my B1 0.001. 0.001. I'll leave my C1 too to be the thickness of my drain too, the side thickness. I'll make my D1 D 0.00. Let's just follow what is on the manual. My E1 0, my D1, my inside bench width 0.001. 0.001. My inside bench grade can make it 0 or leave it at default 0. My F1, my F1 0.001. My A2 150 thickness to my B2 0.001. Inside bench width 0.001. This is an and the value anywhere you see 0 on the manual, just input 0.001. Because if you input 0, the software needs like a figure. If you input 0, it takes 0, it will take the 0 as not a, it needs a number, something to reflect. They don't want to accept 0 for this our width here. Like this one, I can see this one is on 0, this one come with default, but if I should put 0 here now, it won't accept it. So I need to put 0.001. 0.001. Anyone is not 0. Because it's an infinitesimal value, a small value, but you need to just put something. So the next one will E2 will make it 0.0012. Outside bench width will make it to 0.001. The same thing as 0. 0.001. My F2 0.001. And I'll click apply and OK. So you can see now I've now converted to a U channel drain. That will not, you can see this thing is not flushing with the edge of my shoulder. So I will now click this. I will select the trench pipe, the drain. You can see when I select it, I'm having move. Or it's something I can still right click and see move to. It's the same thing. So if I select this, I'll click move. So once I move, I'll move to the edge, the topmost of my distance of my shoulder distance and drop it. So to take it down there. So the next phase is to mirror this to the other side of the road, to the left side of the road. It's for me to mirror the whole of this now to the left side of the road. So to mirror it, I will select the both of them using the window select, or I can click this and this, select the both of them. You can see once I select the both of them, I selected one, I selected this. I'm having, you can see it's giving an option to mirror, move, copy. Or I can select like this using the window select, click and drag across the both of them and select. So I can see mirror. In Civil 3D, when mirroring your object,